Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Brownfields local and long-distance movers near me. Hiring a moving company for your interstate move is beneficial because their agents know the best roads to take in order to save on time and man hours. However, such a move also involves a lot of heavy lifting, which could cause you harm, so search for reputable Brownfields moving companies and choose the one that best fits your needs and budget. Having a professional moving partner to transport all your belongings across U.S. states ensures that all your items are delivered in good condition. In addition, it's the norm that a moving company has your properties covered by insurance in case of damage or loss during transit. Local moves can be just as complicated as long-distance ones. That's where the expertise of 3 Movers comes into play. Our Brownfields local TM movers know the area very well. We ensure that your move is smooth and tailored to your unique needs. Don't miss out on exploring Brownfields local treasures. Let LA Movers be your partner on this exciting journey. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Brownfields moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.